Hey, Chris here. Welcome back to the Investing Boss channel. In this video, we'll be looking at property investing strategies that Samuel Leeds will just never tell you about. Now, most of you will know Samuel Leeds. He's got over 400,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so he's very, very popular. And he's spent years now building up a brand and YouTube channel around property investing. So why won't he tell you about these strategies that I'm going to talk to you about in this video? Well, the simple fact of the matter is, if he told you about these, he would not be able to charge you a multiple £1,000 course in order to learn how to do it. It's very simple, very straightforward, and over the long term, you'll be able to build wealth with these strategies. So let's get on the laptop and I'll show you these strategies which you can start right away and actually from as little as £2. But getting on the laptop then, the first thing I want to show you here is the stake platform. And I've showed this platform on a few videos on the channel already, but I'm really enjoying this platform. I have only been on it myself for the past month now, but it's going really well so far. I currently have one property on here, a share of a property that I've funded that's been fully funded. And this second one here, I have a share in. So this is a platform where you crowdfund and directly own a share of a property with other investors. You can see on this one, 51% is funded. And yeah, I'm a part owner in that one. It's already rented out, so there is a tenant in there that's paid the rent a year ahead up front. So I'm going to get a guaranteed rent for 1 year when that property is fully funded. Now, the minimum investment for this platform is £113, which I think is a very low entry into property investing. Now, of course, if you want to stay up to date with my next property investment that I do on the Stake platform, I will put a video on the channel when I put another £500 into the next property. But the next strategy I want to talk to you about is investing in something called REITs, or real estate investment trusts. Now, really quickly, a real estate investment trust is basically an investment trust specifically to do with property. So what we can do here is go ahead and check out two that I feel are really great REITs. Obviously not financial advice, but these are just two that I'm investing in personally. And I'll do a video with how much money I have invested in these in future. But the first one here, LandSec, or Land Securities REIT. Now, they own property all over the UK here, as north as Scotland there. Properties you may have heard of here. So we've got the White Rose Centre in Leeds, Escape Yorkshire in Castleford there, Novotel Sheffield City Centre, Ravenside Retail Park Chesterfield. I mean, you can literally, I'll leave a link to this webpage down in the description. You can go on here. I mean, there's loads in London. And basically, when you invest, so even the O2 Centre, I'm sure everyone's heard of the O2 in London. When you invest in the Land Security REIT, you are then a part owner of all of these hotels, shopping centres, leisure revenues like the O2 Centre. And basically the tenants of all those properties are paying the rent on that. And then you earn, depending on how much you've invested, you earn a portion back as a dividend every 3 months. Now, I did say that you could start investing with £2, but actually, sorry, I was wrong. You would need £5.77 to buy one share of Land Securities there. But the next one I want to go on to is one called British Land. Now, this is another real estate investment trust. And again, I'll leave the link to this page down in the description. So these are a few properties that they own here, or own a part share of. So you got Broadgate in London, Canada Water Master Plan. I think that's a property development site that's under development currently. Got Paddington Central in London. Then we also have Regent's Place, London, Drake Circus in Plymouth, Ealing Broadway in Greater London. Then below that we have Fort Kinnaird in Edinburgh, however you're pronouncing that. Meadowhall in South Yorkshire. I'm quite familiar with Meadowhall. I used to live very close to Meadowhall, actually. And then we have Whitley or Whiteley in Fareham there in Hampshire. So that looks like another leisure park there, because I can see a Cineworld on it there. So you would own, again, a part share in all of those. And with British Land, their current share price is at £3.63. Now you can see over time your investment is growing, and recently the share price is down because of interest rates and various other factors. But to me, that just presents a great opportunity. It's trading on a price to earnings ratio of 6.13, pays out a great dividend currently of over 6%, which you'll earn. So if you put £10,000 into British land, you'll actually get £600 a year from the dividend payment. As I said though, I will do a video on how much I have invested in land securities and British land and how I'm using the investing app Freetrade to make those investments. Please do drop a like below on this video if you had any value whatsoever. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.